Is the Yeti real, or an enduring Himalayan myth? For centuries, villagers have whispered about a mysterious bipedal creature stalking snowy passes and leaving enormous footprints in the ice. Explorers, naturalists, and mountaineers recorded sightings and odd signs. But their stories mixed credible detail with wild exaggeration and cultural folklore. Skeptics point to misidentified wildlife such as bears, optical illusions, and hoaxes orchestrated for attention or profit in remote communities. Yet several intriguing pieces of physical evidence have surfaced, including peculiar hair samples, disputed footprints, and ambiguous photographs that refuse easy classification. Modern forensic analysis has tested some hair samples, sometimes matching known species, but occasionally returning inconclusive or unexpected results that fuel further debate. DNA studies are powerful, yet contamination risks, degraded samples, limited peer-reviewed replication make many claimed breakthroughs tentative at best. Anthropologists stress cultural context, explaining how legends serve social functions and how eyewitness descriptions can be shaped by expectation and collective memory. Environmental scientists point out that shrinking habitats and climate change could force animals into unfamiliar ranges, creating rare encounters that spark mythic interpretations. Notable expeditions like those led by Eric Shipton and Tom Slick captured global attention, though their evidence remained tantalizingly ambiguous and open to alternative explanations. Documentaries, sensational press, and viral internet posts have amplified fringe claims. While serious researchers call for rigorous methodology and transparent data sharing, a balanced view recognizes both the human hunger for mystery and the need for scientific skepticism. When extraordinary claims lack extraordinary proof, whether driven by ancient oral traditions or by misinterpreted evidence, the Yeti legend reveals as much about people and place as about any elusive creature. Today's citizen scientists and genuine researchers use camera traps, environmental DNA, and careful field surveys to separate fact from fiction in high-altitude ecosystems. The result is not simply debunking or vindication, but a richer story about how mysteries persist and evolve across generations and disciplines. Photographers report blurred encounters at dawn, while Sherpas recount ancestral stories that color local beliefs and influence which natural phenomena get remembered as possible. Yeti evidence. Folklore studies show how seasonal migrations, trade routes, and spiritual practices shape the creature's traits in different valleys, producing a patchwork of Yeti identities across the Himalaya. Technological advances like improved DNA metabarcoding and longer-lasting remote sensors increase detection chances. Though they also challenge researchers to interpret complex environmental signals correctly, meanwhile, conservationists warn that sensationalism can distract from urgent ecological issues at high altitudes, including habitat loss, poaching, and climate impacts that threaten known wildlife. If you enjoyed this climb through myth and science, subscribe to the channel and give this video a like to support more mysterious explorations.